There are a few things as magical, reassuring, and connective as hearing your baby's heartbeat. Using safe ultrasound technology, the Fetal Doppler by Dr. Trust is a priceless way to observe the heart sounds and rate of your unborn baby's heart as early as your 12th week of pregnancy. This highly sensitive probe picks up the internal sounds through direct contact with your skin using ultrasound gel. Gliding the face of the probe over designated areas of your belly allows you to hone in on the precious sounds of life. The adjustable built-in speaker makes it audible for you and your loved ones, or you could use the headphone jack to listen more intimately. With a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Dr. Trust Doppler brings the sounds of your sweet little one's heart right to your ears anytime you wish.